Hello and welcome to back to Coding. In the previous video we saw hash set in Kotlin. In this video we'll see lambdas and higher order functions in Kotlin. Lambdas are anonymous functions, which are the functions which has no names. Similar to functions which we have discussed in our earlier videos, you can use lambdas to break up your code into reusable units. According to Wikipedia, anonymous functions originate in the work of Alonzo Church in his invention of the lambda calculus, in which all functions are anonymous. Lambda is defined within curly braces and has variables and function body, and both are separated by arrow symbol. This is the syntax of lambda. Also, we need to know about higher level functions to better understand our topic. So, high level function or higher order function is a function which has the ability to accept function as a parameter or to use it as a return value. To better understand both of these topics, let's see them practically. First, we'll create a function the normal way, then we'll convert it using lambdas. Get full name is a simple function which has the parameters of type string and which prints the full name. Now let's convert it using lambdas. First, we will declare our lambda. This is how we declare a lambda function in Kotlin. Now let's declare a variable which can hold our lambda. Here it is showing cannot infer a type for this parameter. Please specify it explicitly. So let's declare the type. Here our first parameter is the input to the function. That is, whatever you declare to the left of the arrow is the input variable, and whatever you declare to the right is the function body. Our input is a string which is first name and last name, and function body will include a println function which prints full name. So let's declare the type for the same. So here we have declared unit since the println function is not returning anything, which is nothing but void in Java and is called unit in Kotlin. Now we have got a variable which holds our lambda. Let's declare a higher order function which can take our lambda as an input. Here as you can see, the third parameter has similar types declared to our lambda function. Now let's pass the lambda to our higher order function. And here we have our lambda in the variable full name. So let's access it. And we'll pass our first name and last name to it. Now let's run it and see the output. And here we have got the same output similar to our normal function which we have seen earlier. Let's revise what we have learned. Here we have declared a variable full name lambda that can hold a lambda. It takes a single parameter of type string and returns nothing, which is unit in Kotlin. And here in the next line we are passing the lambda, full name lambda, to the higher order function, which in our case is get full name function. So this last parameter, which is full name, is actually the one which is taking our lambda function as an input. Then in the get full name function, we are concatenating first name and last name and passing it as an output to our println function of lambda. So after seeing this, you might say that what's the use of writing so many lines of code using lambda? But trust me, have patience. You'll definitely learn the importance of lambda when you start working on a project or when you are doing Android app development using Kotlin. So you need to understand the concept here and be thorough with it. To better understand it further, let's see one more example. Now let's try the addition of two numbers. First, let's create a simple function to add two numbers. Here we have created a simple function to add two numbers. Now let's create a function using lambda. Here we have declared a lambda function which takes int as a parameter and prints the output. This is another way to declare a type to our variable instead of declaring it outside. Now let's declare a variable which can hold lambda. If you are confused, earlier we declared the type like this. But we can also declare it like this. Let's declare a function which can accept lambda as a variable. Add lambda is a variable which is of type int and returns unit. Similar to void in Java, we have unit in Kotlin. Now let's pass this variable add lambda as an argument to our function. And the output is the same. I hope this example has made lambda concept more clear to you. For a lambda function that has a single parameter, you can use it keyword instead of the whole expression. For example, the line can be replaced with it keyword like this. Let's make that change practically and see what output it returns. Everything else remains the same. Now let's run it. And as you can see here, there is no such difference in the output. Make a note that it is only applicable if we have only one parameter. That's it for this video. Please give it a like and comment down your thoughts below. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.